A Devon Digital here, and today we're just going to do a simple edit, and we're just going to get right into the video. There's no need to be wasting your time or anything like that for that matter. So let's go. So first I'm going to start off with my presets and everything. So look, I got a lot of presets that's really gritty like this, and I really love this look because this fits my character, my style of, you know, kind of like photography and editing and stuff like that. So I really kind of like this. So this is kind of like the look that I go for most of my pictures when I first start off, and that's what we're probably going to end up with today. I'm not 100% sure as I go through these presets right now, but I'm definitely leaning towards that look. This Yeah, this look is just, let's go with this one. This one's a lot more less settled or strong compared to the other ones, so I think I can work off of this template right here. But then again, I just changed my mind instantly. So this is the thing, it's always good to have these presets and go through them because you never know. That is great right there. That is, I'm really feeling that one. So I'm gonna keep going. I know I said I was gonna stop at that one. I should have remembered the number. All right. Oh, I like that green look a little bit too. Of course, you know, we'll make our adjustments to that. And dang, I should have remembered the number. It was D something. Let's go with it. I really might just go with this green look. That's like a little off from what I like, but I want to, oh, I remember that one. Let's go with, yeah. All right, let's go with this. Let's go with D5. I'm going to waste your time. All right, so we're going to start here in D5. One of the few things I do, as y'all already know, is I clean up the skin, and I'm going to, you know, I'm going to wrap it this edit too, by the way. I'm not going to fully go in this detail. I just want you to see. Yeah, I messed up right there because sometimes it messes up. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get that, clean up the skin a little bit, get these bumps out of there and blemishes. Yeah, Lightroom does that. It does this on all my devices, by the way. It just rapidly just zoom back in. I don't touch anything, or I don't know why. So it irritates me sometimes, you know, especially when my hand is not even on the screen. I try to take it off the screen when I'm doing this in particular, because it does that. When my hand is on up here, it is zoom back into the thing or whatever like that. You know, I don't, is it a double tap? It might be because of double tap. It's probably because I'm double tapping, because I'm tapping so fast. But you know, this is an M1 iPad, and you can see it has a little bit of latency when touching. So it is what it is. And it's like that on like all the devices. It's just probably not super optimized or whatever, so it probably needs some more work. So anyways, I want to say the background is a little too dark for me. Just gonna go ahead and adjust the background real quick. So I'm gonna select my mask, and then I'm gonna invert it so I can select the background. And then I'm gonna go to here, and I'm gonna raise the exposure just a little bit. And yeah, I'm satisfied with that. Then I'm going to select another mask, and I'm gonna select her because I want to bring up the shadows a little bit in her hair. And I guess the rest of her body too, because right now it's going to adjust the whole entire body, because there you go, you got that golden look. So you see it, the light hitting over there. And because I like that light, I'm going to select another mask, and I'm going to select the linear gradient, and then I'm going to bring that light right up over here. And that is not the one. All right, and there you go. And I'm going to bring that right here, and I'm going to bring it down there, right there, and I'm going to raise the light exposure just a little bit more, so it looks like the light is just hitting from that side over there. And I'm just going to add a little bit more color to it, a little warm tone, so we know that the light is really hitting from over there. And I'm just going to adjust it in far enough there. Got it. Okay, so now I should have stayed in the layer mask. I'm gonna go right back to it one more time, because now she's a little too orange, and I'm just going to adjust her lighting to blue just a little bit. And then I'm going to bring a little bit of the saturation down, just a little bit. There we go. And bring a little bit contrast, and boom. Okay. So now I'm kind of happy with that over there. This looks like it might be a little too dark over there. So let me just go back into the, I keep going back here. Normally I like it dark, but I don't know, it's just not, it's not matching to me good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and select that and bring that exposure up just a tad. That's perfect. All right, so then I'm going to adjust the blues now, because I raised the blues down a little bit. So I'm gonna go straight to the blues, and I'm going to bring them up a little bit and make sure, yep, That's kind of where I want the blues at, right there. And over here on these rocks over here, they are a little bit overexposed, which is not really a bad thing. Actually, it actually works for this image, but just in case you're just one of those people who just want everything to be in exposure, I'm just going to get a brush and I'm going to brush over that area, and I'm just going to bring the highlights down just for that area. See, sometimes stuff like this works for images or whatever like that, so don't always be quick to jump and fix exposed areas and stuff like that, because sometimes it works. So there we go, we have that. And now I'm going to check my texture and my sharpening. So my sharpening is at 29. Like I told you before, I love it at 70. That's like a base for me. I start off there, and if it's too sharp, I work my way backwards. So 70 is normally always good, and this is coming from my camera and my camera settings. Yours may be different, so your number can be higher or lower depending on how you adjust your camera settings or how your images are based off your lens. It's just so many factors that play into that. So don't go by my number, but I'm just giving you a base to start with, so you can find your number that works for you. So, and then I go and add the texture or negative texture so she can have smoother skin, and that's what I did with it. And I want to say that overall, I think I am pretty much satisfied with this image. So let's see, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. So yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied. Anyways, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I will be doing more tutorials, more edits to show you more tips and tricks and everything else on this channel. And anyways, I'll catch you in the next video. Delvon Digital, out.